Hello and welcome back to the Soundstage at World of Concrete. Coatings Coffee Shop has a soundstage sponsored by Tremco, and we are talking to all of the thought leaders. My name is Heidi Ellsworth, and I am, as always, so proud to be sitting here next to Will Lorenz with General Coatings. Hello, Will.
Hello, Heidi. Thank you. Day two, everything's getting exciting now.
It is exciting, and this between International Roofing Expo and World of Concrete, we're almost in an overload situation, I think.
There's a lot of people in the construction trade, and hopefully they're getting the right education, the right understanding of new products, and can kick it this year. I think we need the economy to take it up another notch, and we're really excited that our offerings and others can help people grow and make more money and coat the world.
Yeah, exactly. I tell you what, well, that's really what this is all about, and I want to talk about spray foam.
Sure.
Because, and you know what, we didn't start with an introduction.
Oh, thank you.
Here we go. Will and I it's instant. We get into it. Okay, so if you can introduce yourself and tell us about your company.
Thank you. My name is Will Lorenz. I'm president of General Coatings Manufacturing Corp. We make spray foam and roof coatings. We're located in Fresno, California, and also in Arlington, Texas, and kind of been in the trade for love making products for people to put on roofs.
Yeah. Exactly. And so now we can dive in. When a lot of people think about coatings, to me, spray foam and coatings go together. Spray foam, especially on the roof, is such a powerful product. And we're here, and there happens to be this beautiful round orb in the middle of Las Vegas that has some exceptional spray coatings in it. Can you tell us a little bit about that project?
Yes, yeah. Well, we'd love to. An iconic Las Vegas Entertainment Center, new the last couple of years here with people like the Eagles and U2 playing there, and Fish, has spray polyurethane foam on it. General Coatings was chosen to work with commercial roofers out of Las Vegas here, and they installed a great spray foam roof with acrylic. So it has our Ultrathane 230 roof foam on there, 5.5 inches of great insulation and waterproofing. And then a beautiful acrylic top coat over there, about 5 to 7 gallons with the granules on it. So it's a Class A roof system, and it's working great. And I heard that my team is going up there on Friday, I think, just to go observe again, see how it's doing. Because there's a lot of trades that get up on buildings, and hopefully they haven't done anything to it. You know how it is.
Check it out. And it was done by one of the premier roofing contractors and waterproofing in Las Vegas. And I think, can we say their name?
Yeah, Commercial Roofers.
Yeah, we love Commercial Roofers. Oh, in fact, I just saw Dennis Conway. He's over at the student competition. So, but they are just a phenomenal, and talk about really the ability to install a spray foam system with the right coatings. And this is what we're seeing across the board on rooftops. Especially all the penetrations, all the different things. And now, excuse me for my ignorance on this, but spray foam over concrete?
Yes, yeah, we put a primer down to get it nice and black, a good adhesive primer, and then apply directly on it. Unique things about this particular design, it's a curved structure, and so, commercial roofers had to design these carts and so forth that could allow it to drop down and apply the materials in a safe manner and apply it uniformly. So, they put a lot of things into it to design how to do the installation correctly. And they did it in the middle of COVID. People don't remember, back in the 21, 22, it was a challenging world here to find enough labor, find enough parts, find enough people that are willing to get up on a roof. Everybody kind of wanted to hide where they were at.
Yeah, you're right. And now look at it. And now look at the city. Everything's back. For the most part. It is. Okay, so for the contractors who are out there looking at either new construction, or there's a lot of jobs that are getting, with lightweight concrete, taken down to the concrete, spray foam is just such a great option. Talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, I mean, by nature, spray foam comes down as a very tacky material, and so it fully adheres, it bonds to irregular surfaces, it self-flashes around penetrations and things like that, seals it up. You don't have to apply a boot and weld and all this stuff. You just spray the foam down in a uniform application, and it seals up everything, and it's a great insulator as well as it's a air and water barrier. And then you put a roof coating system on it, whether it's acrylic or silicone, and now you have a UV protective barrier, a reflective surface, and a durable wear coat.
That's amazing. When you really look at that and you look like, who would know? Or the New Orleans Convention Center, spray foam. There's all these projects out there that you wouldn't even realize is spray foam, and the energy efficiency and just the ability, the time savings.
It is. It's a low labor type of product. You know, I see people putting down all this board stock, great products, but it needs an army of folks to do it. You got to get the adhesive down right, or you got to drill holes in concrete with fasteners. Boy, that seems rough and tough to do. Spray foam, we prime it, we put foam down on it. It's really a smooth, fast operation that allows a lot of productivity for a few employees on the roof. You know, usually a guy down in the truck, a couple guys around the hose, and a key sprayer and a supervisor, and you're in business. You're spraying, 10,000, 20,000 square feet a day.
And we've been seeing so many different applications for spray foam. I know General Coatings focuses on the roof, but there is, just for the world out there, there is obviously insulation inside.
Sure, absolutely.
That's been around, but with our new outdoor coffee shop, I think of all the applications with spray foam where they're making rocks, coating them, and they're doing all these really cool, creative, lightweight features, both commercially and residentially.
It's so true. I mean, durable materials like granite and stone have been around for centuries, right? The pyramids were built with them, but it's heavy and it's difficult. Using an efficient material that you can spray up, you can carve it, you can then put a coating system over the top of it. I mean, Las Vegas, I think if you go around and see all the waterfalls and things around with it, you're going to find that they're probably got some sort of a steel structure with foam over it and some sort of coating topping on top of it, just because it's fast, lightweight, and cost effective. We're also seeing the use of polyurethane foam, not in the spray version, but in the injection grade, to go down below concrete, lift it up, level it out, so you don't have to jackhammer it and spend all that extra money, replacing concrete, when you can just get it level again where everybody's happy and it's usable.
So it's on every part of the building. It's everywhere.
It is, and the wall foam's a big sector. It's growing, and it's rolling back a lot of the fiberglass and cellulose materials because it's air sealing and insulating, and it's just a great overall technology that has its origins back to, I think, Otto Bayer in Germany in 1930s, and it's just been continued to improve and made safer and faster and better over the last 100 years or so.
I love it. I get so excited about this, and that's one of the reasons we love going to the Spray Foam show with you. I see all these different applications, everything that these contractors are doing. So as contractors, whether you are coating concrete, whether you're a coatings contractor, wherever you're at on the rooftop, Spray Foam offers a diversification and differentiation, for your business. So, Will, how do people, besides, of course, going to Coatings Coffee Shop and finding General Coatings, how do people get a hold of you?
Well, I think the first thing is, we have a national sales team all the way available for people. And, I also say people, you got to get involved, come to some of our industry events like the SPFA, which is going to be here in Las Vegas again. And, get involved by learning. We have site tools. We've got a lot of great YouTube videos on how to use the product. We've got a lot of things on the Coaters Coffee Shop and Roofers Coffee Shop. And so, I suggest you go there to find great information. And, the bottom line is, if you're looking to...
We're going to go check it out. Carol will be back here on the soundstage. And don't forget, at 2 o'clock, we are going to have our coffee conversation. So be sure to join, even get into that Zoom, register so that you don't miss a single thing. We're going to have experts here talking about what's happening with coatings and concrete.